with you. I can't do this anymore. I'm literally sick. I'm literally sick to my stomach. What has happened to America?
It just doesn't make sense. So many Republicans voted Democrat. Kamala had more people at her rallies. She won the debate. We had all the professional analytical predictions on our side. I genuinely don't understand how this happened. 13 million views. Here is another interesting one from Wakanda. This lady right here, not believing that Trump won. She says, ladies, we need to start considering the 4B movement like the women in the South Korea and give America a severely sharp birth rate decline. No marriage, no childbirth, no dating men, no sex with men. We can't let these men have the last laugh. We need to bite back. Lady, come on. You can do what you want. But this is not the issue. Face the issue. Get a cat, okay? Just get a cat. You're already having one, so relax. Uh-oh. It's pretty weird that with record voter turnout all over America, there were 18 million fewer votes cast than in 2020. This is from the USA Singers. You do the math and you tell me what happened in 2020. From Mula, she wrote, I hope in the coming days someone is able to explain how we had record turnout about 18 million fewer votes than in 2020. Both of those things can't be true. Of course they can't be true. Now I think this is a perfect summary. Uh-oh. But did these guys really think that Americans, they failed women? Did America fail women? And the minimum wage workers? Not even California is implementing that, so I don't understand. These meltdowns are unbelievable. When I show this to my Wakanda friends who want to travel to America through Mexico, they will not come anymore. They say, these people look crazy. How can I go and live with crazy people? Is that how America is? Of course, it's about 50%, so the other 50 is okay. We can deal with them. So maybe the Mexico trip is still on the works. But I guarantee you, if they see this clip, they are not coming. Anyway, it's Black Coffee here again. Welcome back, hypocrite. All of us are, right? We are just hypocrites. You know, I don't even know what to call this anymore. We are going through this this whole election saga, and excuse me, let's just say it's not looking good, right? Not good at all. No, we are seeing some very, very early signs of Trump derangement syndrome when Trump is not even in office. I don't know how the next 4 years will really look like, but it'll be great content for me. It'll be good for me. It'll be good for me, no doubt. But for the 50% of Americans who are not on this train, it will be terrible. I cannot not really deny that. But technically, this is hitting me hard. The borders will not be open anymore. Anyway, but to be honest, no Wakandans want to come there, so take it easy, you know, relax. Well, this whole Kamala Harris thingy, how did she manage to throw this away? Where are all those landslide victories that were promised? All these poll stars who said, oh, Kamala is up by 3 points in Illinois. How do they call that your state again? I don't know. Iowa, yeah. Iowa. All those poll stars, I don't understand. I mean, I have a pet monkey. It can do much better job than these poll stars in America. Next time you hire us from Wakanda. But They threw out all those scare tactics like Project 2025. Trump is gonna, take your babies and stuff like that. Losing election rights, women rights, abortion, all those things. I was genuinely scared, guys, but yeah, we all know, right? They were just talking out of, I don't want to use that word, but I will say it in my language. No, not today. I heard there is Google Translate now. They can translate everything, even the language from my village. Who taught them that? Jeez. Anyway. So here's the deal, right? We need to wake up and we need to just see that the world wasn't going right? Things were so haphazard. The morality of the world has just deteriorated. So let's hope this next 4 years things go back to normal human way of doing things and reasoning and actually using common sense. But I'll not talk too much. All right, hypocrites. That's all for now. Stay strong, the other 50% of America, and stay vigilant. We would like you to hold Trump accountable, but not in a blatantly, openly, overtly, those lies. They are too blatant. Like, come on, this guy, come on, what are you talking about? Kind of lies, But hold him accountable so that it does not overreach. That's all what we want. We want this balance of power in America so that, everything that happens in America affects the whole world. So that's what we want. So, yeah, America first. We support that in Wakanda. So that when you're America first, you don't come and disturb us in Wakanda. All right. So make sure you keep voting and thank God that the democracy went through this time and there was no shenanigans.
I was just walking down the street to go get my medication because I'm out and I need it for today. And I saw a woman walking her 2 kids and she had this look on her face. And I looked at her, we made eye contact, we both kind of nodded. Like we were both just devastated.
You voted for a racist, a rapist, a dictator. You voted for a bully, a bigot, and a narcissist. You voted for someone who said he would have no problem using the military to kill his opponents. You voted for mass deportation of people, including people that are here legally. If you think you voted for someone who's going to somehow give you more money and put more money in your pocket, you were tricked. None of his concepts of economic plans will ever benefit anyone who isn't a millionaire or billionaire.
I'm scared to go to sleep. I might wake up a motherfucking slave.
On Disney Plus.
Y'all, like, why are y'all Trump supporters? Like, why?
No. This is a fraud.
How am I supposed to go to work and do all of my normal daily activities when I know that we all just chose for things to get exponentially
I would ever
harder.
even dare bring a child into this country now. It was rough before. Now, no. That's cute.
This is a prop.
This could break me and my parents apart because they just don't understand what they voted for and what it means and the bigotry and hatred that they stand behind.
America failed women tonight, primarily. Trump has insulted women, berated them, has been found liable in court for assaulting a woman, and he took women's reproductive rights away.
Oval Office.
I think this
Okay, but for real though, Joe Biden could actually save us from a Donald Trump presidency. Yes, you're seeing this after the election results. It is 100% possible for Joe Biden to step down and make Kamala Harris the 47th president.